AutomationDirect.com sells a large selection of mechanical power transmission products from a wide range of brands. Precision ground linear shafts, shaft supports, and bearings are used in high-precision linear motion applications where tight tolerances are needed. Linear precision ground shafts are designed to meet stringent straightness requirements and are available as standard shafts or supported shafts, with a surface finish optimized for plain or ball bearings. Linear shaft supports allow for easy installation and can be used for end or intermediate shaft support where deflection between supports is not a problem. We also offer linear bearings in open and closed versions, unmounted and mounted flange and pillow block bearings with Freelon PTFE plain or ball bearings. Automation Direct is providing the products and support you need to make us your common sense way to buy industrial controls. Please see these videos for more information about mechanical power transmission products, and shop here for all your mechanical power transmission needs.